Gorgeous golf course home on the 6th fairway. Pristine ranch boasts an open floor plan with hardwood floors and cathedral ceilings with skylights. Great room with stone surround gas fireplace is open to the kitchen with hickory cabinets, breakfast bar and all appliances. Formal dining room. Light-filled master bedroom with ceiling fan, walk-in closet and large master bath with soaking tub, separate shower and dual vanity. 2 additional bedrooms and full bath with skylight. Mudroom leads to the oversized 2-car garage with shelving, pull-down attic for storage and more. Enjoy the screened-in porch and rear deck overlooking the golf course. Gas line is run to deck for easy grilling. Low-maintenance yard. This is a must-see home. Home warranty included.